candy. Yeah, good boy. Okay.
Oh no.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm like super bright, you're super dark.
Perfectly balanced video.
Yes, I love it. So weird, like perfect lighting. Oh, I look gorgeous. And then like, not so great. So what are we doing?
What's up, fam? We're doing crazy stuff.
We are.
Like that AC? Sounds so good, ruining my audio. Yeah!
Doesn't matter, it's freaking Arizona, you gotta have it. Like people can deal.
This is real life, okay?
So, it's gotta happen.
It's 10 o'clock at night, it's still over 100 degrees outside.
Yeah, it was 110 degrees today, and then they said it was gonna get down to 107. So it's gonna cool down 3 degrees. That's great, right? Yeah.
Weather reported is going to be right around 70 to 80 degrees in Idaho Falls.
It's gonna be so great. So amazing. So I've already got my makeup packed.
These are my resources. This is what I've got. She's like, how do I make this all work? I go, all right, babe, we've got this. We're just gonna, that, done. Over here, this, in the bag. Perfect. Quick zip. Oh, sure, now it won't work. You're packed. We can leave.
Yeah, so about that, I just didn't think that my new BH Cosmetics palette, the Zodiac palette, was gonna fit, because it's ginormous. Look at this thing. So it goes in my bag, so it's gonna be in my purse. So that's good. So that's packed. And let there be light. And then this is our bag. This is all of our clothes between me and Seb, because we pack light, yo.
Although I do have some bad news.
You need your shorts in there
See
too?
these? I need those.
Well, are you gonna be wearing those?
Nope. That's what I'm wearing tomorrow. Kachika.
I'm wearing that.
Got the good old classic gray pants. Can't go wrong. Matches just about everything. Black shorts.
All right. So there you have it. So that's our clothes, and then I've got my cosmetics. And we just have a toiletry bag, because we pretty much that's pretty much all that we ever really pack.
Yeah.
So.
And then we got to zoom to Walmart tonight to grab some of those little travel bottles.
Yep.
So we should probably go do that.
Yeah. So.
All right, fam. Let's go.
All right, puppers. Puppers.
Back to bed.
Yeah,
Thank you.
buddy.
Good boy. Yeah, good job.
Good boy.
You're the greatest.
Good girl.
Go to bed.
Go to bed with Meter. Oh, good girl. The shit thing is stuck to your foot. There you go. That's going in the trash. Alright. Don't fuck anything up while we're gone. There's that.
Alright, fam. We're going on an adventure to Walmart. I mean, to an indiscriminate store, which I will not name, but you'll be able to figure out based on context clues. Like this. So check this out. Okay, Google. Lights off. Boom! Blackout. Yeah.
I wear my sunglasses at night.
'Cause she's so freaking cool.
So cool that I'm taking out the trash.
Look, we have trash.
We're like other human beings.
I'm sorry.
Don't tell anybody else.
How's the battery?
Perfect. I just charged it the other day.
Okay,
America, fuck yeah. Hi, baby.
Hey, baby.
You excited?
Hell yeah, baby. Been thinking about this all day.
Same. super excited. So where are we going?
Oh, you know, the Great White North.
Yeah. Really?
Really? Not exactly lying. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Yep. Here we go, baby. Here we go! Just before 4 o'clock. This is a fucking dream come true, baby. I'm glad we got up early.
Same.
I'm gonna drive till about 5 and then I'll let you take it from there. Just kidding.
Sounds good. Sounds about right.
Hey. Hey. I'll drive till at least 7.
Country bag. Country bag.